बारी है, कुछ सुनाने की तैयारी है। अच्छी है पेशकश, ऐसी हो मनोकामना, अगर कुछ गलती हो तो है क्षमा याचना।
Honorable Principal Sir, Honorable Principal Sir, very importantly for today's function, our seniors wishing you all a very beautiful and warm morning to you all. Welcome to this very special occasion, that is the farewell of the batch 2025-2026.
We are here today to bid farewell to some very special people who have been a part of our lives and our school for our last few years. Well, I Utkarsh Yadav,
I Gauri,
I Utsav Dev, and we are host this beautiful and special occasion.
to start this journey on a divine note, may I request our principal sir to come forward for the traditional lamp lighting ceremony, and I also request Lal sir to scout him on the stage.
I humbly request Salendra Pandey sir, Pawan sir, Ravi sir, Srivastav sir, Avinash sir, GD Tiwari sir, Khalid sir, Ajanta ma'am to come to the stage.
जो रोशनी से अंधेरा मिटता है, जो रोशनी से अंधेरा मिटता है, आज उसी रोशनी से हम अपना मन जगमगाएंगे।
यस
I also request Poonam ma'am, Saurvi ma'am to come to the stage. Kiran ma'am, Bibha ma'am, please come to the stage.
ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्।
ओम उद्बुद्ध स्वाग्ने प्रतिजागृही त्वमिष्टापूर्ते संसृजे धामयञ्च अस्मिन् सदस्ते अद्युतरस्मिन् विश्वे देवा यजमानश्च सीदत। ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ओम
Class 11, 5 girls. Class in 12th, 5 girls, sorry. 12th A, 12th B.
सबको नमस्ते and very good afternoon to all of you. Today we are here to give a farewell to our energetic, dynamic and having a lot of potential standard 12 outgoing students. My dear students, especially I would like to address standard 12 students who have spent a long time in the school. A school is such a place where you learn so many things right from the beginning. A child leaves the lap of mother and comes to school. A school becomes second home for all the students. This is because of the bonding we develop, because the affection that is between the teachers and the students, which can be found only at home, the bonding between parents and children. That is why a child feels free in its school to bloom, to expand the wings of physical growth, mental growth, behavioral growth, and gets the ability to understand the world. Ultimately, after getting education, we have to go into the field of real challenge. That real challenge can be faced when we are equipped with our potential. And that potential is provided by the teacher. Sometimes we do not understand the importance of teacher while we were studying in the school. But when we pass the school, when we face the world where challenges are there to come, we understand the importance of the teacher. While teaching learning process, they tell so many things always, and you follow the things, sometimes you do not follow. But when you pass the school and when you go to the real world, you remember those lines, those instructions were given by your teachers while teaching learning process. And you understand the importance of those instructions while facing the world. You are having lot of energy. You are having lot of potential. This potential and the energy needs to be moved to the right direction. If you are having the right direction, your energy will work in double format, sometimes in triple, and you can achieve your goal, what you have in your mind, with that efficiency, with that energy, what you have. There is a lot of chances to shape your potential. There is a lot of chances of utilizing your energy. But the only thing, if you are having the energy to be used in right direction, you will be able to reproduce your potential into the term of achieving your goals. And to enrich your capability and to mold that capability and potential to right direction, the very important role is played by your teacher. At first at your home, your parents, and after that in school when you are going to learn something professionally, that is being guided and inculcated into you by your learned teachers. We wish, being the second parents of yours, being the teacher of the school, that you should always bloom like anything. You should always fly your wings, and you should always fly to the limit of sky. And when you achieve something, believe me, your teachers feel that they have achieved something. And they feel more happier than you if you achieve something. And we organize such kind of things where just to have a memory of the time we have spent, with the time you spent in school. Because after that school will be in your memory only. Physically you would not be present in such kind of a school, because school is having such a place where it is expected to maintain discipline, and for that your teachers might be reminding you all the time. This is only for your betterment. After passing from school, when you enter to college, you feel free, and it is expected that you are now in a position to take your free decisions. At that time, your self-consciousness plays a very important role. At that time, you will have to monitor yourself. Your parents, your teacher may not be always be available with you. to mind you, to regulate you, to instruct you, to monitor you. Rather, you have to monitor yourself, you have to shape yourself with your potential, because it is believed that after 12 you are in that position that you can control yourself, you can monitor yourself. And since your parent, your teacher might not be that much technically sound in present era, and you are having the technical essence in you, technical knowledge in you, since you are of this era, you are having lot of technical knowledge. And that technical knowledge needs to be used in right direction, and that will turn your potential with the technical assistance to the extent what you want, to the goal you want to achieve. Always remember your root level. This is the greatness of a person. If a person achieves something great, and always remember the root. Root means your family, root means your school, your college, and the persons who have helped to shape your career. And I wish, I hope, in behalf of the school, that you all will achieve your target, you all will achieve your goal, what you have set in your life. And at first, because to achieve a bigger goal, step is to be taken firstly small step. If you take a right step, small step, the first step, you will reach to the goal which you might have decided on a larger scale. It is very important. So this is your first step. That step should be taken very carefully, and that step should be input your efforts and potential, so that your first step should be strong, and that should be the base of further steps that could lead to your larger scope of your goal that you achieve. Always remember, school, you might be passing out from school, but you will always be with the school, because the time you have spent can never be left out. The time which you have spent in the school, that can never be given farewell. Only the phase which is being given farewell, and this farewell is only the part of one phase to end and other part to start, with great confidence and with great emotions and with great vision. I hope that all will remember all these things, and whenever you feel, whenever you think that you should come to school, your school will always welcome you. And at any time, any junction of your life, any juncture of your life you feel, certainly, because after passing the school we always remember the days we have passed in our school. Even we still feel the days which we have passed in school, and we always wish that if there is possibility to visit the school once again, we visit. Recently, I have visited my school from where I have passed matriculation, and I felt very happy to be in that campus from where I had passed my matriculation. Though no teachers of that time were there, but the buildings, the playground, and the other memories I remembered, I recalled, and I sat on the ground of that school for at least 15 to 20 minutes, and I enjoyed like anything. I went to that time that was unforgettable for me. Similarly, you will also feel the memory of the school, and you will also recall when you are passing from this school, and you can come to school whenever you feel that you are wishing to come to school. Your school will also welcome you. Hence, you are being given the farewell of one phase to start the boost, the next phase. And with all wishes from all teachers in behalf of the school, I wish you all the best to get first to all the best in your 12th examination, and further to have your best experiences and best goal what you have achieved in your life. Thank you very much. Thank you.
शङ्करपादा वन्दितं चिरमाना तु
तो ना हिंदुस्तानियों का नशा चाय में होता है, हिंदुस्तानियों का नशा चाय में होता है और कलाकारों का नशा ऑडियंस की तालियों में होता है। तो एक बार फिर से तो जोर से तालियां बजा दीजिए।
What a powerful and dashing performance by Kritika.
Principal sir, my dear colleagues and students, today is the emotional moment for all of us. Watching you gathered here at your end of the school journey that fills our heart with pride and little sadness also. As a teacher, I remember many of you entered this school premises as young student and now you are leaving this school as a bold and confident young adults. As a teacher, our greatest happiness is not only seeing you achieving great success in your academics, but also witnessing your growth as a kind-hearted young individuals. Thanking you, wishing you all the happiness for your future, dear students. Thank you.
ना मैम, लगता है आप लोग के लिए कुछ और लाइंस कहने होंगे, तो सुनिए जरा। रास्ते नए हो, हौसले वही हैं। रास्ते नए हैं और हौसले भी वही हैं। इस सफर की शुरुआत पर तालियां हो जाए।
Honorable teachers, my dear juniors and my lovely friends. Good morning to everyone. My name is Ansika from standard 12B. We thank our principal sir for his guidance and care. He always encourages us to work hard and follow good values. His words, discipline and good values will always inspire us. We live with gratitude and unforgettable memories. स्कूल एक बिल्डिंग नहीं होती, स्कूल एक फीलिंग होती है। हम स्कूल में सिर्फ बुक्स नहीं पढ़ते, यहाँ पे हमने लाइफ को भी पढ़ना सीखा है। एज ए स्टूडेंट ऑफ क्लास 12th हमने फिजिक्स से पेशेंस सीखा, मैथ्स ने लॉजिक और डिसिप्लिन सिखाया, बायोलॉजी ने लाइफ की वैल्यू बताई, केमिस्ट्री ने रिएक्शंस को समझाया और इंग्लिश ने अपने थॉट्स को एक्सप्रेस करना सिखाया। थैंक यू माय टीचर्स। Dear teachers, you are not just teachers, you are our guides, our motivators and sometimes even our second parents. आपकी डांट में भी केयर में भी कंसर्न। किताबों से नहीं जिंदगी से मिलाया है आपने, किताबों से नहीं जिंदगी से मिलाया है आपने, अंधेरे रास्तों में भी चलना सिखाया है आपने। आज पा रहे हैं तो इसके पीछे
आपका विश्वास, आपका बिलीफ और आपकी मेहनत है। थैंक यू।
Dance by Anshika की class 12th.
Let's go.